Enjoy the next 30 minutes of ad-free music.
So if you guys can just ignore the fact that I look like a living troll, I'm gonna show you guys how I went from trash to class. God dang, look at me. Woo! And it's not like any of you guys really care or want to know how I did that transformation, but here's the video anyways, because, oh well. Other ladies, if you hear me, help me sing it out. Do, 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 do. So, first things first, gotta take your hair out of your face because you don't want to get no foundation and no makeup in your hair because, yeah, it's just something you don't want to do. And first, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So, gotta pick the right brush for my eyebrows. By the way, shout out to my best friend Kim for getting me that pink mug. And I used the Anastasia dip brow in the color chocolate. I tried focusing it to the camera, but the camera didn't want to focus, so I kind of just gave up on it. So yeah, just watch me fill in my terrible undone eyebrows. I really need to get them done, but doing beauty on a budget, so can't do that yet. Next thing, I'm gonna take my Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia and go in with the color Burnt Orange because I'm a little burnt myself. So I'm gonna just take that and put that in my inner corner and blend it out because you don't just want to just like a patch of orange there. No, honey, you don't want that. Something you don't want. And yeah. So once I was done blending burnt orange, and you can't tell I'm wearing it, so I don't know what the purpose of putting that on was, but anyways, I'm gonna go with the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place and take the black color Chad. It's named Chad, but it's just a black, and I'm just gonna put that in my inner corner and outer corner of my eye. And this is my jam. Yeah, my favorite song came on. But anyways, I'm gonna try not to put too much because I don't want to make it seem like someone punched me in the eye. So yeah. Makeup hacks. So after I was content with how the black looked on my eyes, I took a flat makeup brush and I went in with the golden color Senegal on my palette. The same palette, obviously you can tell it's the same palette. But yeah, I just went ahead and blended that in the middle of my eyelids. So it's just like bam. And then next I went in with the color Jamila and I put that into my outer corner, not the outer corner, the crease of my eye. Yes, the crease. I am a thesis of a players. Her nieces and her nephews are just pieces of the layers. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I look like that. You singing too, but your grandma and my grandma. You gotta move it slowly, taking in my body like it's holy. That's nasty. I've been praying for you on my Sunday. You gotta move slowly, taking in my body like it's holy. Next, I'm gonna do my winged eyeliner, and I'm not putting any of these clips in because I literally took 20 minutes to do my eyeliner, guys. I couldn't get it, but I'm getting better at it, I promise. It's a work in progress, Alright, so once I was satisfied with my winged eyeliner, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty foundation and put that on my face, to hide all the acne, blackheads, pimples, red marks, whatever, just gotta just pile stuff on that so that people think I have a clear face, but in reality, my face is filled with pimples, Guess what? I'm gonna pile some more nasty stuff on my face, and here is the Kat Von D setting powder to set my foundation so my face doesn't look oily. I don't know if I'm supposed to be using setting powder with this foundation, but I just choose to use it. I choose to buy it, spend more money. I basically chose to spend more money. But yeah, anyways, setting powder is really messy. It gets all over your shirt, but what's the fun in makeup if you don't get a little dirty? Yep. So I'm just gonna let that white stuff sit on my forehead, under my eyes, my nose, and my chin for quite a while. And yeah, I don't know if I need setting powder really. I just see every beauty guru on the internet use it, so I'm like, why not? But once I think it's been there for quite a while, I'm just gonna wipe it off with the brush. This this is my job, girl. I gotta be next to. Anyways, back to the point of this video. I'm gonna take my Too Faced bronzer, heart-shaped bronzer. It's in the shape of a heart because you know I'm spreading love everywhere I go. But I'm gonna take a bronzing brush, I guess. I don't know, and just put it on my face. I really don't know what I'm doing with bronzer. And we are at that part of the video when we're in awe over this iconic Becca Champagne Pop highlighter on my face. So here's me putting it on, trying to get that glow, you know. Next, I'm gonna take the Nudes palette by CoverGirl and take a C brush and highlight my brow bone. And here is my telescopic mascara, guys. This is my all-time favorite mascara. I really don't need an eyelash curler when I put it on because, you know, it looks flawless. And there are my ojos. Next, I'm going to take some liquid red lipstick that I got on clearance at Target and put it on because, you know, beauty on a budget, guys. This lipstick was only $3 and it works amazing. Here's a quick look at my face, the final look, and I really didn't put on any setting spray. I should have, but I didn't. Quick outfit change. I changed my shirt. Gotta pull out those baby hairs so that my face, like my forehead, doesn't look so big, you know, so my forehead doesn't look like a 5 head. But yeah, I really wish I put my hair down out of that bun because I look really chinita. But I mean, it's all good. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and goodbye.